got this fabric around a month ago. I really like the blue base and the gold embroidery combo. I wasn't sure what to make with it until recently. I've been watching Disney princess movies, so I thought this fabric is perfect for making a Princess Jasmine inspired outfit. Okay, this is the same pattern that I made the lobster outfit, and I like this pattern. I really like the fit of that trousers or pants, so I'm gonna continue use this one. And you can see you probably cannot, I extended the waistline so it could fit like a mid to high waist. Yeah, I'm not so sure what I'm gonna do for the top yet, but I think I'm going to finish this pants first and then figure out the top part later. Alright guys, here's the pants. I haven't closed the side yet, but before I do that, I think I'm going to the farmer's market real quick because I got this succulent like a while ago, and it's and it's so dead because I just keep forget to water it. So yeah, I think I'm going to the farmer's market and get a new one, and I promise this time I'm going to take good care of them. Yeah, I'm back. Here's what I got first. Ding 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 ding. And second. Dong 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 dong. And then for the waist part, Princess Jasmine have this deeper V waistline at the front center. I'm going to create a waistband with a V shape to give a similar effect. Alright guys, here's the finished pants. It is so cute. I really like this embroidery at the waist part. And here's the fabric I have left for the top. Not a lot, but I think this should be enough. Let's get started. I'm reaching out to my pattern folder and decide to go with this pattern again. I have sewed this pattern for so many times, and at this point, it's already carved into my DNA. Guys, look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to add grommets at the back center so I can lace it up. As I'm filming the review, I just started to hate my hair for some reason. So yeah, that's my hairdresser. I wanted a curtain bang, but I guess the idea of curtain bang is not that trendy here. I don't know if I like this or not. Maybe I just need to, give it some time to let it grow out, and also give myself some time to get used to this. Anyway, let's talk about the outfit. For the pants, I did not make the bottom as volume as Princess Jasmine's. Two reasons. One, because I only have 1.9 meters of fabric. That's probably 2 yards, and there's definitely not enough fabric to do that. And the second reason, I think I like it this way. I wanted to be able to wear it, during the day whenever I feel like it, without being too costumey. So yeah, that's why. And for the top, I think it's perfect. This gold embroidery really added so much to it. It's just gorgeous. I feel like I could also wear this top with something else to create like a everyday look. Alright, that is all for today's video. If you like to see me make something else, please leave it in the comment section. I'm thinking maybe another princess inspired outfit. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!